Hello.
You didn't come out that
far. He saw me.
Turn up.
Do you hear the kid upstairs? The kid upstairs banging the ceiling because he thought it was a real fire drill.
You thought it was real.
He thought it was real upstairs.
You think it was real, Talal? Talal, did you think it was real?
I didn't know what it was.
Over the camera. Shit. He's on.
Okay, Mike. The building's not burning down. We'll help you clean it up.
Was anybody like in the hallway or anything? Kid upstairs was banging the thing. He was like, shit. Are you kidding?
It was loud, man.
That was better than I thought it would be.